Oh, it's hot. Spicy, hot, steamy hot, and delicious. And now we're just taking a walk down to the some historical sites towards the end of this road. And it's about noon right now. The sun is hot, but there's a breeze blowing, so it kind of makes it a little bit bearable. You can see the buildings, the older buildings. Just don't want to photobomb people. Let's take a look at this building. That's one of the old buildings. Beautiful architecture. And so that's the place where we're going to. Let me just double check on the map. That's the Queen Victoria Memorial Clock Tower. And there is a huge food court here. Maybe I should stop here first and then continue along. So we stopped by this place, and it's midday, so quite a few people around this. Quite a few, lots of food stalls around this place. So I'm still quite full from what I ate a few hours ago. But I think I might just get something to, at least to drink. Just to beat the heat from the sun. Let's check out this place. Maybe something cold. Maybe a coffee or something. A lot of dishes. A lot of dishes. Fried rice. Chicken rice. I think I'm gonna Char Kway Teow. So I ordered an iced white coffee, and we ordered a lime juice. So it's hot outside, guys, so I'm gonna enjoy this and see how it is. It is not too sweet. Strong black coffee. Strong coffee, not black coffee, white coffee. And it's nice and cold. So yeah, let me enjoy this. Okay guys, I'm gonna try this Char Kway Teow. Let me try this first. Oops. Oh, it's hot. Spicy, hot, steamy hot, and delicious. Cooked to perfection. Delicious food there. Penang, you didn't fail to satisfy. Delicious food in Penang. So guys, we stopped at that food market, and I had some lunch, some white coffee, cold coffee, cold iced tea, and we're fueled and back. And now it's time to go to check out this place. It is going to be a bit hot out there, so let's see how it is. We probably might need to come back. I don't want to photobomb somebody taking pictures, so let's just go outside this side. So I'm going to pan my camera around and show you where we're headed to. So we are headed to this place, the clock tower in the hot sun. It's 1 in the afternoon, guys. 1 in the afternoon, but yeah, we're already in the area, so just gonna a lot of photobombs gonna happen. Let's just quickly go. Let's quickly go. So this is where we are. Oh. And that's the clock tower.